Hello students, in this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to give an examination in StudyTable app. At the bottom of your app screen, click on the upcoming exam button. So as you can see, your institute has published an examination today at 13:30 p.m. If you click on it, you will see a timer is running. Please wait till the timer ends and then you will find a start button. So now click on it, read the instructions and click start. Best of luck, your exam has started. Now, while giving your exam, you can read your questions from the screen and select the right answer from the available options below. Now click on next to save the answer and proceed to the next question. Now if you want to go back to the previous question, please click previous button. And if you want to skip any question, please click on skip. Now if you want to navigate any particular question, please select from the number buttons below on your screen. Now once you complete answering all your questions, carefully click on the submit button. So here you have successfully submitted your exam. This is how you can give examination in StudyTable portal. Thank you.